How's it going, guys? It's Tuesday afternoon. Monday went by really fast. Risa was sick, so she didn't go to school, so we just stayed home all day. Right now, we're supposed to be waiting for another storm, but as you can see, it looks like everything's nice and calm. Perfect weather right now. We're cooking dinner. We're making some hamburger. It's been pretty slow. Today I went to physical therapy, started doing some exercises. As you can see, I can actually walk. My foot still gets swollen, so I'm trying not to overdo it. But being on the bike kind of helps build some muscle. And yeah, we're just chilling, relaxing. Nothing much going on. It's gonna be a slow week. Hey guys, so it is Wednesday. We got another hurricane. This morning I took my girls to school on the tricycle, and then it started raining, so I took an Uber. We got all messed up because one of the Uber guys ended up canceling because he couldn't find us. And so now the day is gone, it's still raining. So I have to like go drop off the car, get a Biki, which is the ride share bikes, so I can go pick up the tricycle and then go back. It's a crazy day today. I'm about to go get the tricycle and go home and relax. There's my baby, safe and sound. I was worried that I left it out here, but at least it's inside the school. Looks like everything's okay. I did realize that I need to make some kind of drainage hose because it's getting full of water back there. Déjala. Okay. Hey guys, so it's Sunday night. It was a pretty relaxing day. We went down to the pool. We used the barbecue grill for the first time down here at the place we're staying. But right around an hour ago, my foot started bothering me. So I came back up. Everybody's still downstairs grilling, eating. But I'm just relaxing because I don't want my foot to get too swollen. This week's been pretty slow. Like I said, it sucks not being able to work. Just kind of hang around the house. Happy Monday, everybody. So this morning, I got on the bike, came to grab the car so I could take Risa to preschool and so I can go to my medical appointment for my foot. But as soon as I got to the car, I noticed something. I don't know if you can tell, but it's completely flat. I have no idea how I got the flat. But I don't know, maybe I got too close to the curve, I don't know. So first I'm gonna try to find it, and then I'm gonna try to fix it with this stuff right here. So we'll see. Wish me luck. All right guys, I found the hole, and I'm pretty sure somebody stabbed it with like a screwdriver or something. Because it's small enough that it's not a knife, but way far to the side for it to be a nail. It's crazy. ¿Vas a entrar adentro o te vas a... Ok, pues por eso. Te doy la mano. Yo te doy la mano. ¿No? Ok. No quiere entrar bien. No te va a comer nada. Ok, aquí nos vamos a sentar pues. Y siente aquí. Hey, estoy tomando video, loca.
No tomas video, yo.
Little hermit crabs, girls, you remember that?
¿Te acuerdas? Yeah,
Porque mamá y yo dimos video.
Métele el agua.
What's that language?
Spanish. But they speak English too.
Spanish?
Yeah. I speak to them in Spanish, but they go to school here, so. Good morning, guys. It's Thursday morning. Last night was really irritating because, in fact, I was just talking to Mego about how Risa, she's 4.5, and it seems like she just doesn't get a lot of the simple concepts, which you would expect from a little kid. But we remember that Dia was a little bit better at that. So maybe when she was 2 and 3, we would tell her something like, if you behave well or if you don't cry, then we'll take you somewhere, and she wouldn't get it. But I'm pretty sure by the time she was Risa's age, 4.5, 5, then she would understand that if you do this, then you get that kind of thing. Risa doesn't really get it, and so we're wondering if it's just how they both. I know every kid's different, but I guess we're just trying to figure out why she's like that. But anyway, she was really frustrating last night because from the morning she was talking about that she wanted some clip-on earrings, and it's the whole time I'm taking her to school, she's complaining about it, saying that she wants them. Megu had already told her that she was going to get it for her, and she just kept asking. And then as soon as I picked her up, that's all she talked about. So obviously she was excited about it. She was waiting for mom to get home from work so she can give her the earrings, and then Megu forgot them in the car and she just lost it. So it's just I don't know, I'm not really sure what I'm trying to say, other than just kind of realizing that she's not really ready for a lot of the things that we're planning to do. So we're just gonna take our time with her, and then hopefully she'll get it. I know a lot of the problem is me, and just how I'm not really patient with them as much as I should be. I have 2 speeds with them: either yell at them and scold them, or ignore them, and neither of them are very helpful. So I really need to work on finding something in between. I watch a lot of my friends that are really good with kids, and they have a nice way of being strict, but at the same time listening and trying to communicate with them. I'm not that good at that. I don't know why. I don't know. I know that that's something I need to work on, and I still can't get it. Everything Lisa's kind of showing is she's probably getting from me, so I can't really blame her too much. But I really need to find a way to communicate with them a lot better, and so that I can actually a teacher and not just a parent scolding them. That's my tidbit for today. Right now I'm on my way to physical therapy. I'm gonna knock that out, work on some exercises to get some flexibility and strength back on my ankle, because I'm already walking around in the boot, and I'm hoping that by the end of September, early October, I can go back to work and not have the whole wedding season wasted. At the same time, I have to work on the house. I mean, hopefully things work out, because I haven't really heard anything about the house being on escrow and everything. So today is a really slow day, just physical therapy, chillax, and get ready for this wedding season coming up. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering why that video was small and low resolution, is because I got a new phone and I forgot to set it to HD. So I guess the front-facing camera is 720, so this is what you get. I bought the cheapest phone they had in Costco for T-Mobile. It was $100, and I'm having a lot of issues with it, but I'm only gonna use it for simple stuff. So whatever. That's one of the prices you pay for frugality. It was a lot better than spending $1,000 on another Samsung Note. Hey guys, for some reason there's a whole lot of motorcycle cops coming through here. A lot. So either something important is happening or somebody important is coming through, because that's a lot of cops. Look at that. And I'm already late. I started filming late. What is going on here? That's it. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember, I'm on a mission to retire early and travel the world with my family. So on top of my weekly vlogs, I'm also going to put videos on how I plan to generate money on the road, how I save money, how I become a minimalist, and anything that helps me reach that goal of early retirement. If that's something that interests you, please subscribe to this channel. Click right here to see the latest upload. Click here to see videos that relate to this video right here. Don't forget to hit the little bell so you can get notifications for whenever I upload new videos. And also, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.